The Connecticut Department of Energy and Environmental Protection Fisheries Division Angling Education Program, also known as the CARE program, has been teaching youth, adults, and family basic fishing courses and promoting environmental stewardship since 1986. In that time frame, over 200,000 citizens have participated in free fishing classes taught by staff and certified fishing instructors. We are currently seeking applicants to fill seasonal interpretive guide positions. Interpretive guides will represent the CARE program and be responsible for leading classes on water, fish, and fishing to the public. By utilizing interactive lessons and activities, PowerPoint presentations, and hands-on fishing trips, students leave with basic fishing skills and a deeper connection and appreciation for Connecticut's natural resources.
Oh, hey there. Just chopping a pile of beautiful sandworms. Nothing to see here. So, I applied for this position because I am a lifelong angler. I went to school for wildlife fisheries management, and I figured this would be the perfect position for me, seeing as I love fishing, love interacting with the public, and taking people who have never fished before, having them learn something new.
Maintenance and the repair of fishing equipment is also included in the duties for this position. The ideal candidate would have college-level coursework and/or experience in one or more of the following activities: outdoor education, aquatic biology, ecology, fisheries biology or management, and environmental science. Experience in angling and small group public speaking is preferred. Employment will begin in late April and end in late August. Interpretive guides will work out of our Fisheries Division Education Center in Killingworth, Connecticut.
The best part about this program is seeing the faces of the kids that haven't been able to catch a fish before, and they reeled in for the first time, and you really realize the impact that you're having on their lives.